Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be practicing Ujjayi Pranayama. This pranayama has a heating effect and is perfect for winters. It soothes the nervous system and calms the mind. It also helps in relieving insomnia and may be practiced in savasana before sleeping. So let's begin our practice. Come into an easy sitting position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, or even a chair is fine, which is what I am doing since I have a foot injury. Straighten your back. Now in Ujjayi practice, the focus is on breathing through your throat. Basically, you constrict the throat muscles slightly to create a snoring-like sound. To understand this, take a deep breath in and then exhale through your mouth as if you are vaporing a mirror. Again, inhale and then vapor the mirror. Last time. Now we'll do the same thing but with our lips sealed. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling the vibration in the throat. Now maintaining the constriction in the throat, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Keep your focus only on your breath. Feel the air slowly going in through your throat as your abdomen expands and feel it moving back out. Deep, relaxing breaths. Keep the focus on your throat and feel the breath being drawn in and out through the throat. Continue the practice for a few more breaths. Then just relax and breathe normally. You can do Ujjayi for 5 to 10 minutes at a stretch. That's all for today. See you soon.